In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscriptions with Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upgrade your account and start your subscription without any confusion. Before you begin, have access to the email associated with your account and a valid payment method. Also, make sure you're on a secure connection, especially when you enter payment details. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable. From the results, click the official Lovable website. A quick tip, look for the secure lock icon in your browser's address bar to confirm you're on the authentic site. On the Lovable landing page, find and click the login option. When the sign-in page appears, choose Continue with Email. This will prompt you to enter your email address. Type it carefully and double-check for typos. Even a small mistake can prevent the verification from working properly. Then click Continue to move forward. Next, enter your password. Make sure caps lock isn't on and consider using a password manager to avoid errors. When everything looks correct, click Log In. After a moment, you'll land on your home page. From here, click your profile icon typically found in the top right corner. In the profile menu, select Turn Pro. This is the path to upgrading your account and unlocking the paid features. You'll now see the available plans. Take a moment to compare them and pick the one that matches your needs and budget. Check for differences in features and whether you prefer monthly or annual billing. Once you've decided, click Upgrade. You'll be guided to the checkout screen where you can choose your payment method. Select the option that works best for you. If you're using a card, enter your card details exactly as they appear. The card number, expiry date, security code, and any required billing information. Small typos can cause declines, so review everything carefully. If you have a promotion code, you can add it at this stage. Enter the code, apply it, and confirm that the discount is reflected in the total before continuing. This ensures you receive any eligible savings. When your information is complete and accurate, click subscribe to finalize your purchase. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation that your account has been upgraded. Keep an eye out for a receipt in your email, and if needed, you can manage your plan later from your profile. That's it. Your Lovable subscription is now set up and ready to use.